Yes guys, welcome back once again from Phuket. Today I'm gonna explore Malin Plaza, one of the busiest areas here in Patong, especially right after sunset. And today we're gonna find out why. I came as early as possible because in about 30 minutes this place is gonna explode and it will be almost impossible to show you guys the market without cutting off too many clips. Let's go. So it used to be a small market with 3 rows with 2 sides at each row, but apparently they have expanded it with a new area. Let's check it out. Yeah, you will soon notice that many of these sellers have the same stuff. Basically, fish is very popular. We have these types of stalls selling all kinds of Thai food. Yeah, the turnover is really high in this market, so whatever you buy, it will probably be fresh. No need to worry about anything at all. The prices are slightly higher than elsewhere. I think this is probably the most expensive night market here in Patong. To give you guys an idea, you can get a Thai dish for about 100 baht, a basic dish with rice. And if you go for more complex dishes, you will pay up to 450 or 500 baht. I'm gonna give you guys one of my best picks. So this stall has the masaman curry. I've tried it out at different stalls and I think this one is the best, right here in the corner. And you can also see that almost every stall here sells halal food. Probably because the main customer is the typical European.
Hello,
how are you, brother? Good. Got a halal burger. Starting at around 100 baht, 120 baht. The fish again. A halal duck. I don't know why, but I've never eaten duck before. But like I keep saying every time, there will be one day. Another burger stall. A little bit more expensive. 130, 170 baht. Yeah, so you can already notice that many of these stalls sell the same things. Some of them even have the same name. I keep seeing the name curry pot, pizza, some more fries over here. Yeah, there's also this area where you can get a, I'm not sure how these are called, but they remove dead skin, but to be honest, I don't recommend it. I've seen some scary videos warning about getting an infection. I'm not sure if it is true, but it's not the best place to do this. Some sushi over here. Coconut for 50 baht, which is the average price here in Patong. I'm almost sure Patong is probably the most expensive area in Phuket. Yeah, and at the back, by the way, there are some stalls selling clothes, souvenirs and those kind of things, but I'm not gonna cover that up today. I'm gonna focus on the food only.
Hello.
Got some dumplings over here. Beef, shrimp, squid. And apparently it's also halal. Thank you. That's also one of the things I like here. People give you to try out things. Even if you don't buy anything, they will still smell. Look at the fruit. Also relatively expensive. Yeah, I'm almost sure this is the most commercial night market in Patong. but the vibe is really nice. Most people come here after sunset, after relaxing at one of the beaches nearby, like Freedom Beach. Is not far from here. We're actually at the corner of Patong, so the next beach would be Freedom Beach. Some more dumplings. Got the fish again, with the most popular probably being the red snapper and I think sea bass, but you can also eat things like lobster and beautiful. Yeah, it's a nice place to try out new things. And by the way, the fish somehow is not very expensive in this area. You've got the baked potatoes, reminds me of the kumpir. This is mainly fruit. I'm gonna check out the back and then we're gonna find something to eat. Got another barbecue right here. Yeah, and by the way, sometimes, not always, you can negotiate the price, but just a little bit off, not too much, because it's already not too expensive. You can get the red snapper for about 200 baht, sometimes even 150. Ice cream, snow ice, beautiful. Nope. Let me see the prices. 120 baht, and you can add up some toppings. Yeah, so we've got some more similar stalls that we've seen before. Smoothie, roti. Most people come here for the vibe, not for the huge variety or whatever. And right here we got some people selling live fish. It's quite expensive. I've asked about the prices before. It's very fresh. This is one of the freshest looking fish in this market, to be honest. But it's also slightly more expensive than that area over there. Let's continue the round. We're almost done. Nice order of Thai food. Yeah, I think today I'm gonna go for the octopus and maybe the massaman curry, because trust me, the stall I showed you at the beginning probably has the best massaman in Patong. My GoPro is overheated, so it's probably gonna keep turning off by itself. Burgers. Some Mexican food, I think. Nachos, halal. Nachos in bag, which is very popular on social media like TikTok. Yes, I hope you enjoyed, guys. I'm gonna order some things. See you on the next one. Ciao, ciao.